Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know who I am, I basically specialize in saving you money via tons of different methods, and today you can tell by the title and hopefully the thumbnail if I've done a good job. Basically this is going to be giving you or more like showing you how to get the best eBay promo codes and discount codes for 2024. Now, eBay coupon codes are pretty difficult to find, especially ones that are actually worth using, but I've managed to find codes that will save you $100 off your next eBay order. Alternatively, there's also a couple of different codes such as free shipping. So yeah, let me run through these steps, guys, on how you can get your eBay promo codes. You're going to need to use your mobile phone and just follow all of the instructions that I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So let's get into it. You should now see my screen here on the left. So pick up your mobile, open up an internet browser. I'm using Safari, but you can use Chrome, Firefox, whatever you have on your phone, and go to this website. Make sure you copy this website, www.topdogcodes.com. So pause the video, copy this website down, because you definitely need to visit Top Dog Codes. Now when you reach this homepage, you can see there is so many different pages on here. It's going to take you a while to manually find the eBay page. So go to that search bar at the top here. You can see there's like a green magnifying glass. This means we can search for eBay, and it will just pop up here, eBay coupons and deals, and it says see more. So tap on that and you will now go to the page. Now you can see there are a bunch of different codes here. As mentioned, the star of the show, I guess, is the $100 eBay promo code, but there is also 50% off technology, a gift card code, and also free shipping. So basically, guys, just work out which one's going to be more beneficial depending on what you want to order. So choose your code and click on show coupon, and it will pop up your choice. And you can see it gives us a sort of first part of the code, but we need to unlock the code. These are pretty desirable and valuable eBay codes, so this just basically prevents people from stealing all of them. So we need to unlock code, so click on that green button at the bottom. And you're going to see this screen here. So long story short, guys, this is a verification step, pretty normal for this sort of thing. So to unlock our eBay promo code, we need to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below, and this is going to verify you're not a robot. So on my screen here, you can see I have a list of free tasks, and I need to choose 2 of them to complete. And there is also a short description below each of them telling you what you need to do. So you can see this one here says $7.50 to your PayPal account. It says enter your email and complete the steps. So this one I can already tell is a free survey. So all I would need to do is click on that and answer the questions, and it says confirm your email. So basically I just need to answer all of the questions and input my correct email address. So I'm going to go ahead and actually choose another one as well. So you can see I've got some free games I can download and play, but I'm going to choose another survey. So yeah, I'm going to just do 2 of these. I'll pause the video just so you're not sitting there watching me do it, and then I'll come back. Alright guys, so just went ahead and completed those 2 tasks that you saw me open up and start answering questions. So I did the 2 surveys, basically just had to answer some easy questions and then input my correct and working email address, just to verify I'm a real person. So now I've fully completed those 2 tasks, I can press my tabs, and you can see I have this eBay coupons tab down here. If you don't see this tab when you've done this, you may have done something wrong. So just go back and ensure you do fully verify yourself. Now I'm going to open this up, and here is my personal and unique eBay promo code, which I can copy and use on my next eBay order. Now, when you get your code, make sure you keep it safe and use it for yourself, because these are one-time use. So once I use this code in a minute, it's going to be invalid. So don't try and steal this code, because it's probably been used by the time this video is uploaded. So go ahead and get your own eBay coupon code at topdogcodes.com. Pretty easy. These codes work for 2024, and yeah, they're for sure going to save a bunch of people a bunch of money. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Press that like button if you saved money using these codes, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.